OKR Automation React demo. Let us talk about today's agenda of the demo. Today's session will highlight why we are transitioning you to React version of our product. I will talk about performance comparison between legacy and React version. You will get a preview of improvements and enhancements you can expect while using the React version, and we will explore the application with a hands-on demo. So why are we changing? In today's fast-paced world, users expect every product to deliver high performance and speed. React technology enables us to meet those expectations by offering faster load times. Pages load significantly quicker than before, enhancing the overall user experience. More responsive interactions. Actions that were previously slow in the legacy system now respond instantly. Accelerated development. Updates and new features can be delivered more efficiently and frequently. Enhanced navigation and layout. A cleaner, more intuitive interface improves usability with a consistent modern design, cohesive use of colors, and visually appealing components. Simplified user actions. Buttons like edit and delete are easier to locate, reducing unnecessary clicks and making actions more intuitive. Improved stability and scalability. React offers a more reliable and future-ready platform compared to the legacy system. Let us move on to a deeper look at performance on React pages. We have done a quick analysis of how pages are performing in both legacy and React version, and I'd like to share some of the key findings with you. Dashboard page. React has reduced load times of dashboard by over 80%. It loads in just 7.75 seconds now, which was 38 seconds in legacy. All accounts page. React loads the same 199 records in less than half the time that it took before. Activities page. React has brought down the load time by 30 seconds for 1,000 records, improving the efficiency by 40%. Invoice page. Despite handling over 10 times more records, React maintained a comparable load time. Contacts page. React has handled vastly more data and still loaded over twice as fast as the legacy system. Expected payments page. React improved performance by 50% while processing the same data. Mail page. React handled 2.9 million records with almost double the efficiency. Let us look at changes that you will notice across different pages and how React version will help you work smoothly, all without changing the core functionality. For selecting the view you would like, all React pages will come with a density option that lets you choose how the content is spaced. Compact, standard, or comfortable are all based on what works best for you. Finding your data quickly with any parameter. Let us talk about column-based filters. With this feature on all React pages, you can instantly filter data by any field, making it easier to find what you're looking for. View settings that are better organized. View settings are a frequently used feature that has been reorganized for better visibility. It's now accessible via the dropdown on the right-hand side, replacing the ribbon layout in the legacy to save space and enhance clarity. User-friendly filters with clone role and clone group feature. Advanced filters in React are more user-friendly with new included features of clone role and clone group for a quicker setup. Mail Not Filed is more organized. The React version of Mail Not Filed page is better organized with drop-downs to be able to choose your mailbox and filters for inbox and sent items. Sending mail is now faster by using snippet codes. The new snippet code feature in React will simplify email communication by allowing you to insert multiple addresses at once with a snippet code, saving and improving efficiency when reaching out to multiple contacts. Account notes are now editable in React. This feature will help you edit already created account notes, which was not possible in the legacy. Tracking of invoices is better. With the new contact information tab on the invoice view, you can access contact details linked with invoices, streamlining communication without having to navigate away. So we've talked about what changes you'll notice with a React version. Let us now dive into the application and see it in action. We'll first start here in the dashboard. The dashboard has a new, fresh look and a great viewing experience. Loading time for the screens has also improved. So here's a view of the new, improved React version. I will next go to customer messages to demo column updates, which is also available on other React pages. So I'm going to go here to my messages, and we're going to navigate here to customer messages. So columns here, if I select them, are easily added or removed by simply toggling these fields on or off. So if I don't want to include the customer's name in a view, I can simply toggle it on and off. Same goes with any of these different fields that you have. I'm next going to move on to the density settings. I'll do that by showing it to you in Accounts, All Accounts. So here I'm able to see the density. And as we discussed before, we have compact, standard, and comfortable, depending on the way that you would like to view the screen. Density, so here we have our compact view. This is our standard view, and then here's our comfortable view. The filters have also been updated, as Devyani showed earlier. And next we're going to jump into our invoice contacts. So I'm going to select a customer account. I'll select this one here, and we're going to go to account details. Here I can see an invoice on the customer's account. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up to see what contacts are responsible for this particular invoice. If I scroll down here and select contacts, I can see that these are the two contacts associated with this particular invoice. I'm going to go back here to Accounts, All Accounts, and we're going to take a look at the quick filters. One of my favorite features on the React pages. All of these search filters right here allow you to pull data in a very quick and convenient way by simply typing in what it is that you're looking for. You can use this functionality in any one of these here. You can see here that I typed in Phil and it brought up different customer names with Phil. I'm next going to go to our Mail Not Filed feature by going to Messages, Mail Not Filed. Here's the drop down that we have to show the different mailboxes. And you can also see here the selection to hit the inbox and also to search by sent items. I'm going to go back to this account, this Phil Foden account. So I'm going to go to the account overview where we're going to take a look at account notes. If I scroll all the way down to the bottom here, I can see the account notes. In our legacy product, you were unable to come in here and edit these notes. So I'm going to show you how we can edit notes. So here's a note that has been taken. We can see that this was taken on the 24th of June. I'm going to select edit. And I'm going to add additional changes to the note. And select update. Here, I can see that in real time, I've added changes to the note. I can also delete the note. I will get a notification to make sure that I do want to delete the note, select OK, and the note has been deleted. Another feature here under the account overview is going to be the snippet codes for emails. So I'll go into a new activity and I'm going to be sending an email to show you how the snippet codes have been added. And when selecting the two, I can see here all of these snippet codes that have been added here to make it easy and fast to send emails. If I did want to select the CUS primary, go ahead and select that. And then maybe I forgot to add another contact, and instead of having to go back, I could just come in here and put in the additional contact before sending my email here. Moving on, I'm going to show you under the accounts, all accounts. We're going to take a look at the view settings here. So if I use this drop down here, instead of having all of the view settings up here in one large ribbon, it's very neat and clean, and I have my view settings in this drop down here. This is my standard late. Here are the other settings that have been created. A feature that's brand new to Legacy is also pinning an item. So by selecting this ribbon right here, I could pin the CUS ID to the left, or I could pin it to the right with one simple click. Next up, we're going to take a look at our reason codes. I'm going to navigate to Admin Master Files Reason Code. Within the reason codes, I can see which ones are system generated versus not. So true is going to be my system generated reason codes, and then false is going to be the reason codes that are not system generated. Just by using this drop down right here. The same goes for reports. So you'll have the ability to select system generated or not for reports with this drop down here as well. Finally, I'm going to show you what we have under Sales Rep. So if I select Sales Rep here, we have a new feature where you can download a CSV. So from here, I'm going to go to the same place, Admin, Master Files, Sales Reps, and I'm going to select Export, and I can download that now as a CSV. I could also export and print it, and from here I have a few different views. So I can have it in portrait mode, or if I wanted landscape mode, if I wanted to print all pages, odd pages, even pages, there's a lot more functionality here. All right, I just wanted to say thank you. I hope this demo helped you to clarify the changes that you're going to see as you transition to the React version. Our support team is always available to assist you in this transition phase. If you have any questions at all while using the React interface, please feel free to reach out to the support team or your customer success manager. Please note that a few admin pages are still not transitioned to React and remain available in the legacy version. The switch between React and legacy is seamless and should not be noticed by you. Thank you.